this was like all like the service manager, the general manager, Jerome Taylor, and I looked right at Jerome. I said, if you don't hire me, you're nuts. I'm gonna make you more money than anybody else here. And then Abdul says, okay, one more question. Who does everybody say you look like? Especially right now.
I'll take it for like 1 day.
And he says, if you answer it right, you got the job. I said, Tom Cruise. He said, oh my God, you even told that before. And Jerome stuck his hand up. He said, you got the job. He knew you had it before you
It's
walked
not the
in.
middle finger, by the way.
Thank you so much. Welcome aboard. Yeah. And then I went and looked at my compensation package and went like this. You guys are retarded. Go through that whole big interview process, like you're getting hired to be Jesus Christ or something.